everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I thought I would share with you my morning routine. So this is a 6 a.m. morning routine for when the boys are off school. So I like to try and get up early, especially before the boys are up, so that I've just got that little bit of time to myself before all the crazy chaos. I feel like this sort of routine is a good mix of being productive but also having a nice chilled slow start to the day. So the first thing I always do when I get up is I throw on some comfy clothes and then I will go straight into the bathroom to brush my teeth. That is always the first thing that I do. I will also put on my deodorant and just splash my face with cold water as well. I don't do my skincare straight away normally. The first thing that's normally on my mind is a cup of coffee. I've also changed up my morning routine slightly because I now exercise and shower in the evenings just because of Peter's work pattern. He leaves the house really early, so I do all of that sort of thing in the evening now. It's just so much easier. I also feel like I have a lot more motivation in the evening to go for a run. I don't know what it is. I suppose you're running off the day. I just feel like I have more energy then. The first thing I always do before I go downstairs is make the bed, because I just feel like that is at least one thing that I have accomplished, and it just makes the room automatically so much tidier. I will then head downstairs very quietly, trying not to wake anyone, to make my cup of coffee. I do have coffee pods for my coffee machine, which I do really enjoy having, but first thing in the morning I always like to have a cup of the Nescafe Azera Americano instant coffee. It is my absolute favorite coffee. It is really nice. If you haven't tried it, then definitely give it a try. I always get it from like Home Bargains or B&M because it's always so much cheaper. With my coffee, I will then head into the living room. This is just where I have some time to myself. So this is where it really benefits me getting up before the boys are up, because I get to sit in the quiet with no TV or anything on and just have a bit of time to myself. And I also really like to spend this time planning my day. So I will grab a few different things, my calendar, my YouTube planner. I also got this 1 line a day book off Amazon. I haven't used it yet. I thought that was a really nice idea to start doing. And also this YouTube planner I will try and find and link below. It was a gift of a friend and I absolutely love it because you can just plan all your content and you can track your progress with your channel. If you are a YouTuber, I think it is a really great thing to have. So I like to sit and just write out what I want to do for the day, because I just find a list really helpful, and I feel like I get a lot more done when I've got a list as well, and when I've just gone through these few things for the day, and then I can sit and enjoy my coffee in the peace and quiet. I just absolutely love it. It is my favourite time of the day. I also try my best to stay off my phone at this sort of time in the morning, just because if I am on my phone, obviously time can run away with you pretty quickly when you are looking on Instagram or I'm checking YouTube. So I try to leave it upstairs. I just get a lot more done that way. After I have had my coffee, I will then normally go and put some washing in and empty the dishwasher, just to get those things done and out the way. I will also just go around and wipe all the surfaces, and I have been using the Fabulosa kitchen spray, which I am loving. If you watch any of my B&M or Home Bargains hauls, you know I am a big fan of Fabulosa and I really like the scent of most of them. I'll also light one of these candles. These are the Wickford & Co ones from Home Bargains, and this is a fresh one that I hadn't lit before, so that was nice to get that lit and make the kitchen smell beautiful. Then I start to prep breakfast for the boys. So I always put a jug of juice out, which is for the day really, just so that they can help themselves to juice whenever they want it. I'll also put out some fruit, because if it's there then they'll eat it, and obviously it's just encouraging them to grab a handful of fruit every now and again. And yeah, it's just, I feel like they eat a lot better when I do this. If I just put it in front of them, then they will have it. I'm also going to fill up my water bottle because I need to drink more water, and the earlier I start, the more I will drink. I then head back upstairs, and very excitingly, this month's GLOSSYBOX has arrived. Use my code to get yourself some money off your first one. I will link it all below so you can check it out. Inside this one, we have got this -417, which is some hydrating Dead Sea bath salt, which I cannot wait to try. Some Sophia and Mabel eyeshadows, which are really gorgeous colours. I absolutely love these. There is also this gorgeous cleansing gel by Skin & Co. Roma, which improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's really lovely on the skin. This product, you will see me using this actually. I am a huge fan of this, and it is a liquid blusher. I thought it was going to be a little bit too dark, but it's actually really nice, and you only need like a tiny amount. And also this product by Feel Free, which is an antioxidant eye contour cream. So really hydrating and lovely. And all of the products in this month's box are worth over £50. I'm going to leave the details below so you can check out GLOSSYBOX if you haven't done before, and also use my discount code to get your first box for £11. Now I'm going to put on some makeup and do my skincare, so I am going to try out the cleansing gel. I've got my Aldi Lacura toner, and of course my Lumi Spa, which I love using. I haven't used it for a little while, and I've got really bad breakouts at the moment, so I am trying to be better with my skincare. I am then going to put on my makeup because I am filming on this particular day, and I mean, I do wear makeup most days, it just makes me feel much more productive, but I do wear a little bit more on days when I'm filming. I will do a more in-depth video of all my favourite makeup products. If that is something that you'll be interested in seeing, then please let me know down below. But I am just doing a really quick makeup look that, like I say, will just do me well for a day of filming. Now onto my hair. This is one of my about 3 different styles that I do for my hair, and it is a really quick mum bun. I literally chuck it all up into a scrunchie just because I find that wrapping the hair around the scrunchie gives me much more volume, because I don't think my hair is particularly thick, and I always pull out quite a lot of hair at the front just because I prefer that look. And then I will normally just go over the front pieces with my straighteners just to give them a little bit of texture and a little bit of a wave to them. And whilst I've been getting ready, the boys have also been getting themselves ready so that we can go and have breakfast together. But I'm going to get changed out of my sort of comfy clothes because, like I say, I will be filming. So I've just put on some leggings and this really oversized comfy shirt, and then I'm just popping on a little bit of jewellery and spraying a bit of perfume, because even though I'm not going anywhere, I absolutely love to just have a little bit of perfume on. For breakfast, I am making my absolute favourite. It is just some Greek yogurt, some chia seeds and some blueberries and honey. This is also something that the boys really like as well, and it's just my go-to. I always have this most mornings anyway. And then we can all sit and have breakfast together, which is one of my favourite things to do on the half-term holidays or the end-of-term holidays. When the boys aren't at school, it's just really nice to get that little bit of time together before they are off wanting to play on their Switches or go outside on the trampoline, so we can sit and have our breakfast together. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. It would be great if you gave it a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I would love to see you again for my next one. Bye everyone!